how to change Taobao to English. So if you want to change Taobao to English, then first you need to go with your browser and then search with Taobao. Once you search, go with www.taobao.com, and here you will have the page, right? So you can simply go with the upper right, and here you will have the translate option. You can simply go with the translate. Click on the translate this page option, and once you click on it, here you will have the English option. You can go with English from here. But if this interface disappears, then no problem. You can simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and then go with translate. And you can simply go with the three dots, which is here on the right side, and you can choose another language. And from here, you can choose different language or any language that you would like to change. For example, I'll be choosing English. Click on translate, and that's it. The page has been translated. So that's how you can change the language on Taobao. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.